How to change your Facebook Messenger language. Welcome back everyone to a new tutorial video of app tutorial. If you're also trying to change in the language of your Messenger app, in this video let me quickly show you how it's done. So if this video sounds helpful to you, then make sure you stick till the end and let's get right into the video. Now you would not have an option of changing the language within the Messenger app because Messenger does not provide that option. So if you want to change the language of your Messenger app, you'll need to change the language of your entire phone. Only then your Messenger app's language will also be changed. So open up your phone settings and then head over to the language setting on your phone. Mine is inside additional settings, language and input and languages. If you don't see the language option, you can also search it on the search bar. Now once you land on the languages section, just pick the language that you want to add in and tap on OK. And as you can see, the language now has been changed from a device. Now you can open up your Messenger. Just remove the Messenger from the recent apps and then open up Messenger again. And this way, as you can see, the language of Messenger has been changed. So that's the exact way of changing in Facebook Messenger language. If you guys found this video useful, be sure to subscribe, share and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.